at school, food tech, one of the first things you learnt to do was make a scone. Who doesn't love a scone? And if you say you, well, you haven't tried the right variety. Let's make lemon scones.
In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 300 grams of self-raising flour, 50 grams of granulated sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and the zest of 2 lemons. Add 120 grams of cold unsalted butter that's been diced into cubes. Then, using your fingertips, rub the butter into the flour to create a breadcrumb-like texture. Now for the wet ingredients. 1 large free-range egg, whisk together 120 ml of double cream, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the juice of a lemon. With a knife or fork, gently mix in your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. Simply bring it into a dough and then transfer it onto a lightly floured surface. Flatten the dough out until about 1 inch thickness, and then using a round cutter, cut out your scones. Place the scones onto a prepared baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes or until golden brown and risen.
Do you know what's also great about scone? Make them ahead of time, freeze them, and then you can literally whack them under the grill or pop them in the toaster and toast them up until they're warm and golden and ready to be served.